Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again at euro currency. So in the weekend we talked about the tricky situation here because actually we have the two contradictory patterns that stand on the market. First one is the bearish grabber on the weekly chart with this spike up. Last week, previous week, this was a bearish grabber. And this pattern suggests the taking out of these lows. It's downward continuation. Conversely, on the daily chart we're watching for reverse head and shoulders pattern, which in turn suggests upward action, so kind of the A, B, C, bottom D pattern, maybe right to the 116 area approximately. And as you understand, that's one of the patterns should fail. So at the same time, the area of the right arm, bottom of the right arm, is a nice support area. So this is the major fib support of this recent upward action. Also it's ABCD action that we have talked about in last week as well. So this agreement support, and we said, so our tactic, our scenario that we have talked about suggests that we could take the position here, I mean long position, but at the first chance move stop to the break even. So actually yesterday this was created the first part of our trading plan, because take a look, this real significant pullback has happened here. This market returned right back down. And in general, we should keep an eye on these areas, 113, 113.20 area, the bottoms of between left arm and right arm. While market stands above it, it keeps chance to upward action. It keeps reverse head and shoulders valid. So once market will drop below 113 area, that will tell us that the probably head and shoulders will fail, and we should be ready for dealing with the grabber that suggests taking out of those lows. It just means that market will drop lower. As you know, our next support starts 1185. This is a major 618 weekly support. So this is a really clear trading plan that we have here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, let's take a look what has happened yesterday. So indeed, as we said, at the first touch of this area, market should show the upward action. Indeed, you can see this pullback here has happened yesterday. So that was the ability to move stops to the break even if you have taken position right in the morning. Right now, market has dropped lower again, chance here, but it still stands above the major support area. In general, guys, if you would like to take the long position based on this trading plan, it is better to keep stops below this area. Because take a look, here's a very interesting situation. It's a bit tricky that actually the OP target of our ABCD pattern has not been hit yet. That's why I'd not exclude the chance that market could show some spike down occasionally, maybe on some news, maybe just short-term action that will hit the OP, reach the major support, and then market could return back right back to the upward action. And in general, the overall bullish setup will be valid in this case. That's why just to escape the possible washout by this occasional spike, move stop somewhere below this area. Because actually our invalidation point is the breakout of this area. So only if market will break it, it will significantly increase chance on the bearish action. While market stands above it, euro keeps chance on upward action. And in general, as you can see, we have this catalyst equal to buy. So that's our view currently on euro currency. So while market stands here, you could try to take the long position with the stops below this major area. So as you can see, market right now stands not really very far from this area, and it will be not very expensive. Because if somehow the bullish scenario will start to form, here it could become the first, this could be double bottom, as you can see here, could be formed, something of that sort. This market could reestablish upward action, so we will see. But that is the key to understanding what is going on. So this 113, 113.20 area. So just keep an eye on it. And if you have the bearish view, you need to wait when this breakout will happen. In this case, you could try to take the short position. So let's see what will happen today.